The office is designed in 3 levels. We have a total of 15 operatories. The vision was to get a state-of-the-art facility serving the general population as a whole, and with the plan of constantly innovating and constantly keeping up to speed with the current technologies. We wanted adequate amount of space in here, keeping the future in mind.
At Henry Schein, we offer solutions that reflect a personal approach. When we met with Dr. Lee and Angela, they wanted 15 operatories in their new location. Our team helped create a plan that included a surgery room, CAD/CAM and digital dentistry, as well as a PAN and a DCI Steri Center on each level. Dr. Lee wanted each floor to be completely functional from an efficiency standpoint for both the staff and his patients.
This building used to be an RBC building. We wanted to make sure our patients felt welcome. We are a big office, but we don't want to feel that we are corporate. We built the whole new vestibule. So if you see, our vestibule is all glass. It gives our office a much more modern look. We were able to then also add an elevator so we could get 2 floors of treatment areas. So our office being 15 operatories, 6 on the first floor and 9 on the second floor. The way we build our office is we have sterilization center on both floors, we have reception areas on both floors, we have consultation rooms on both floors. We have like 2 compressors, 2 filters, 2 of everything to accommodate the 2 floors. This way, my team upstairs can be independent and our team on the first floor can be independent. So if Steri Center upstairs is broken, they can use the downstairs one and vice versa. First floor is clinical. We also have our mill machine. So we do our scanning and we do our mill on our first floor, and in a basement, we have auxiliary. In our basement, we have storage, we have staff room, we also have a lab. We have 2 pan machines, 1 on each floor. The cool feature we have is, because like I mentioned, it was an RBC building, we have a humongous vault. And we put our CBCT in the vault. So we don't need lead lining, and it is such a cool feature that we were able to maintain.
We left the door on the vault, so that's really cool, and you can see all the locking mechanisms and all that. So it's an entertaining experience for somebody to go in and actually get an x-ray taken. Initially, we had to go through all of the existing equipment to decide what was viable for a new location, because dental equipment does last quite a long time. So some of the chairs were excellent condition, so we brought a couple of those over. The rest was kind of sorting out what should be new, a lot of testing of equipment, and a lot of working with contractors to make sure everything is ready for the equipment. And thankfully, it went quite smoothly in the end.
For me to equip 15 operatories, we had to make sure that we got quality, but we wanted to make sure we had a decent price, and so we chose DCI.
DCI's plan was very ergonomic, user-friendly to our staff, also very customized. The Steri Centers and the different chairs that were there, and decided to work with them.
Henry Schein, as like service as well as equipment, they're really vital because everything breaks now and again. Henry Schein techs have been really good and been here quite promptly, which we appreciate. And service is fantastic. They take care of us, so we don't have downtime, which is really important for us.
From a Henry Schein perspective, we're really thankful to be part of such a beautiful project. Developing an old bank into a dentistry like we have today is really nice, and we're thoroughly grateful to be part of this project and excited to see the end result.
It's a daunting task, starting a brand new practice or remodeling an existing practice. There's a lot to be considered. Henry Schein is one such company that has everything encompassed under their one roof.
When we had this new build, obviously we wanted to go with Henry Schein because they had supported us previously. We liked that they were able to help do everything from start to finish, from the planning, from equipment and everything. So one-stop shop, so it's seamless. We like that.
Patients want a nice, clean, safe environment. When patients come into our office, they just look at our office and they feel welcomed. That's very important. They do feel like this is where they can make a home for their dental needs.